Mornings are always calm and pleasant until we snooze our alarms 10 times more. Welcome back to my channel, Swetha here, mom of a toddler. I upload videos every Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. It's usually Ishan who wakes us up, but today alarm got its chance. There is a scientific reason behind rubbing our hands together as soon as we wake up. It activates nerve endings and awakens our entire system. If you wish to wake up early but not able to, just try this method. One thing I avoid doing as soon as I wake up is scrolling through social media because there is so much content to consume and I won't stop anytime soon. I limit myself to only checking notifications. Ishan is on and off with his brushing habit. Fun fact, he loves goggling more than brushing. Not every day that goes as per our wish. Not every day that goes calm and relaxed. There comes their own challenges. Let's freshen up and face it. One healthy ritual that we follow is consuming nuts. I soaked it overnight so that it's easy for digestion. My kid loves it. He gobbles. And here Karthik taking his share. The smell of instant coffee really enhances our morning. When you need instant boost, coffee works the best. Okay, to be honest, we are not coffee lovers, but once in a while, we like to indulge in coffee marbles. We like to have it outside so that we can enjoy the weather and have our small chit chats over the cup of coffee. It does warm up our body and mind. He does get bored being at home all day long. At times, we do get bored, right? His curious mind wants to explore and learn something always. We take him for a walk so that he gets to see new faces. This makes him feel good, calmer, and happier for the rest of the day. It's my time now to put back things in place, clean the mess, and do a quick floor cleaning before they come back. Though he puts toys all over the floor, he plays constantly with one or two toys. Others just lays around there, adding color to the place. He is still in the phase of putting things in his mouth, even small stones or anything that lies on the floor. So cleaning is must every day.
Open the door.
Okay. Okay, Mom. Mom.
Today, we opted for quick, easy and filling breakfast, that is, egg and cheese sandwich. For Ishan, it's dosa and chutney, a regular South Indian breakfast. Egg and cheese is something we include in our everyday menu in different forms. Ishan likes to eat cheese separately than on a bread or dosa. We stopped buying ghee at market and started making it home. I make it every month. It gives a different feeling to make things at home than buying. I think every homemaker can relate to it. Karthik takes lunch to office, so we make sure we eat breakfast and dinner together. Bathing time is the bonding time for father and son. Back then, before COVID, Karthik used to come home really late in the evening. So he started taking Ishan for bathing along with him so that he gets his share of time to spend with Ishan. I like to share with you guys the products I'm using currently. This is tan removal scrub which I use once in a week. It does a decent job. This Nivea face wash was all over the internet, so I thought of giving it a shot. It really does what it says on packaging, but is little pricier for the product given. This shampoo I'm using for past 1 year. I like the finish it gives. And this deep conditioning mask works the best. I wish you guys try it. Right after I come back from shower, I do a simple skincare routine. Are you guys aware that UV rays from sun aids in skin aging? Yes, it does. Though windows block UV rays, but it doesn't block totally. So recently I started including this step into my routine. Apart from sunscreen, this is the only product I use on regular basis. This one melts into your skin and doesn't leave any white residue visible. Here comes my favorite part, planning. Planning is something which got me out of procrastination. It is not that I totally stopped procrastinating, but seriously, it has reduced a lot. Also, if I don't plan my day, I'll be snoozing throughout the day being couch potato. I really love the efficiency planning gives me, no lazing around. Yes, there are few unavoidable days where I go crazy lazy, but I try to be more conscious and incorporate new habits every now and then for my personal well-being. Once Karthik left home to the office, I try to finish my household chores within that next 1 hour. I love my countertop to be tidy and organized. That's when I feel complete and get on with other works of mine. Engaging kids in activities is quite challenging because they tend to lose interest within 10 to 15 minutes. It's upon us parents to learn new games and play with them. Yay! I do spend some time with him in coloring so that he'll eventually learn how to color within boundary. Coloring enhances fine motoring skills and they also get good finger grip while coloring. Most of all, they explore and get to know different colors. Kids love building blocks because it needs their creativity and they build different shapes in different sizes. Since this activity needs their concentration, they do take their time and do it. It's time for Ishan's midday snack. I usually give him some light snacks at this time so that his lunch doesn't get postponed. Around 1 in the noon, Ishan takes his day nap. That is when I do my actual work. I go through my planner and start working accordingly. I like to customize my MacBook time to time according to my current mood and need. This is the wallpaper I created for myself and also I changed icons to give it a different look. So now I'm going to spend some time in editing my video and then later I want to click some photos for Instagram. I'll take you through that. I am currently doing 30 photos in September hashtag to test my consistency and perseverance. This hashtag means 1 photo a day for 30 days in September, where I share my day-to-day routine and thoughts on daily basis. I wish I could do it year long. Seriously, it's difficult. I'll take you guys through it and show a glimpse of how I click photos for Instagram. This is the book I'm currently reading and I'm halfway done. So let's click some pictures with this. This is how I have set up my camera. So what I'll do is I'll sit here, hold the book like this and then shoot it. And the setup. I transfer photos from camera to phone through NFC. It's the easiest way to transfer files immediately. So it connects through NFC. View here is shown from the camera over there. So if I keep hands here, it will show it here. So I can click photo from this. It will add good texture to the photo. I'm keeping this. I'm going to sit here and hold my flower towards the lens so that it focuses on the flower and not me. It blurs me. Third one I planned is a flat lay. This one needs my MacBook, so I'm bringing it out. When I run the pointer towards right hand side corner, it is going to turn on the screensaver. It is something I figured out recently and I thought of sharing it with you guys. Just in case if you don't know, Google it. I have kept few items to add depth to the photo. So this angle looks quite good. We really could not figure out how he got into this habit of eating basil as soon as he steps out of the house. Also, he eats mint and Cuban oregano. We finish our dinner by 9 and watch 2 episodes of Big Bang Theory and go back to bed. So that's how my day is. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching till the end. Take care. Bye bye.